equations. Differential equation is what? Differential equation is a mathematical equation that involves functions and its derivatives. We have seen equations like this, but differential equation is it involves functions and also its derivatives, which means something like this. So when it comes to differential equations, we have to define two terms, which are order and degree. So what is order? Order, let's take this as an example. D square y dx square is equals to e to the x. So there is a derivative term here, right? Because of course it should have a derivative term because this is a differential equation. So in here the differential derivative term, this is the second derivative of y, right? So because of that, order is 2 because this is the second derivative. Let's take another example. D cube y dx cube plus 2 times d square y dx square plus dy over dx is 0. So there are a lot of derivative terms here. So in order to find the order, we have to consider the highest derivative, which means we have 1, 2 and 3. The highest derivative term is 3. So the order is 3. Let's take another example. D square y dx square plus dy over dx plus y cube y to the fourth power plus x is equals to 0. So there are derivative terms, also normal what is it called, y cube normal terms. So when it comes to when you want to find the order, we only consider the derivative terms. So what are the derivative terms right here? This and this. So what is the highest derivative of this? This is 2, right? So order is 2, not 3 or 4, because highest derivative term is 2. Okay, and then let's move on to the degree. When it comes to a degree, when you want to find the degree, you have to write the differential equation as a polynomial. Let's consider this example: dy over dx to the second power dy over dx minus sine square y is equals to 0. So what does it mean by a polynomial form is we have to write this equation as a polynomial of derivative terms, not just a simple polynomial. We have to write this down as a polynomial of derivative terms, which means if this you can't, which means here if you really can't understand, let's put z as a instead of dy over dx, z square plus z minus some kind of, let's say, a constant or something, or a function. So this is in polynomial form, right? So when we write equation as a polynomial of derivative terms, we have to find the highest power, which means the highest power is what? 2, right? The highest power of derivative terms is 2. So the degree is Let's consider another example if it is unclear in the previous example. So there are derivative terms here, and it is in a polynomial form because this has a third power, this has a first power. So this is in a polynomial form. What is the highest power of the polynomial? Is 3. So degree is 3. Let's consider another example. dy over dx plus sine dy over dx is equals to 0. So first of all, can I write this as a polynomial form? Is this in a polynomial format? If you really can't identify it correctly, let's write this down as z sine z is equals to 0. Is this a polynomial? No, right? So we can't define a degree to this differential equation, but we can write the order. What is the order? Order is 1, right? The highest derivative term, like, yeah. And then the let's consider another example. D cube y over dx cube to the first power times 2 times d square y over dx dx square, yeah, dy over dx plus y is equals to 0. Okay, so what is the, first of all, what is the order of this equation? Order, highest derivative, order is 3, right? This is dy over dx, this is d square y over dx, and this is d cube y over dx. So the highest derivative term is 3. Then degree. When it comes to degree, we consider the highest derivative terms, which means this, not this. So highest derivative term is 3. The power of highest derivative term is 1. So the degree is 1, not 2. When it comes to order and degree, there should be positive integers always. There should be positive integers. So to practice, let's consider this 5 examples and try to practice order and degree. So in first example, what is the order? This is the dy over dx, which means the first derivative of this y. So the order is 1. And degree, when it comes to a degree, we consider the highest derivative. This has only one derivative term, so the power of it is 1, which means this is dy over dx to the first power. That is why we write 1 here. Next one, xy dy d square y over dx square plus x times dy over dx minus y dy over dx is equals to 0. So what is the order? Order is the highest derivative. This is first derivative, this is first derivative, this is second derivative. So highest derivative is 2, so the order is 2. And degree, when it comes to degree, we consider the highest derivative term, which is this, and the power of it is 1, which means degree is 1. This is y to the third derivative of y, which means we can write this like d cube y dx cube. We can write this down like this. Okay, if it is unclear, you can write this down. to find whether it is okay. You can write this down like this, and also this is y to the first derivative of y, which means we can write this down like e to the power dy over dx, right? So this is d cube y over dx cube plus y square plus e to the dy over dx is equals to 0. So this is e to the power y, e to the power dy over dx. This is e to the power dy over dx, which means this is not in a polynomial format, right? It should not be e to the power something. So we can't define a degree to this because this is not in a polynomial format, but we can define an order to this. What is the order? The highest derivative term of this equation. So highest derivative is this, the value is 3. Move on to the next example. D squares over dt square to the second power plus t square times ds over dt is to the fourth power. So what is the order of this? In order to find the order, you have to consider the highest derivative term, which means this, right? This is the first derivative, this is the second derivative, so the order is 2. So the degree, when it comes to degree, you have to consider the highest derivative term, which means this. So the power of this is 2, not 4, right? We don't write 4 here, not because 4 is larger than 2. No, it is wrong. You have to write you have to consider the highest derivative term. So the highest derivative term's power is 2. We write 2. And next one, dy over dx to the power 2 plus 3 times y square is equals to 5 times x. So the derivative term, only one derivative term is right here. It is this, and the power this is the first derivative, so the order is 1, and the degree is the power of it, which means 2. I'm sorry if I made any mistakes, because this is my mother tongue. And also let's meet with linear and non-linearity of differential equations.